Okay, on a Sunday morning, we don't seem to have much time to mess around, so these clouds were so cool we didn't have to come out to grab them. But since I'm here, there's a slight opening. We're gonna check those sunspots if we can. And my timing's off a bit. But they're moving pretty quick, so there, cleared out. And our set of sunspots up there around the 1-2 o'clock position. The set that was over on the edge yesterday is probably around to the back side of the sun by now. Darn it, the clouds that I wanted to get before have kind of all mashed together. Oh well. I had a few pictures on the other camera, so we'll see if they came out at all. Ooh, that sun's hot as it's beating down on you. Yep, I gotta chase a kitty. I'll be right there. Come on, you make me come out of here. I don't have those shoes on. Go on, get back here. Go. Okay. I'm standing over here on the gravel portion of the yard over by the shed, so it's crunch, crunch, crunch time. The backyard is so wet and I don't have them boots on, so. Let's see what we can get with a F-22 today. Well, not much because this clouds want a lot. Oh. Well, that's an odd look there. Oh, it lets me get, when I zoom in, it lets me move the f-stop even higher. Cool. But I don't want to do that because it's not good for the camera and the lens. So, oh, there's actually drops of rain coming down. Okay. The cats already gave up on me. They're in the house, which I normally have to shoo one in. And maybe that was a bug spitting and not rain after all. Who knows anymore? I can't keep up with the sky. It's making me dizzy. Crazy skies. Crazy weather. Alrighty, on this Sunday, I hope you have a great one and a safe one. And all goes well wherever you are. Take care now. Bye.